Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow the cigarette. Huh?
Listen up, there's not a moment to spare. It's quite a drop from the top, so how you feeling down there? It's a cold, cruel, harsh reality. Caught, stuck here with your enemies.